Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to apply icon sets in Excel with the help of conditional formatting. Okay, for this I have prepared a dummy data. Here you can see on the Excel screen. This dummy data contains random numbers which I have listed specifically for this video tutorial. Okay, so how to apply the icon sets? For this we should know where we can find the conditional formatting command on our Excel screen. For this we have to go to the home tab. As we are already on the home tab, we have to go to the styles group. Here we can find the styles group, and in this styles group here is the command conditional formatting. Once we click on this, it will again pop up further options under conditional formatting, and under this here we can find the icon sets. Now once we click this icon sets option, we can see there are various icon sets available in the Excel. Now what are these icon sets and what are the names of this each icon set? Well, here I have listed in this image. Okay, all these icon sets are divided into four categories. So first is directional icon set, second is shapes, third is indicators, and the last one is ratings. Okay, so here I have listed the names as well. For example, under directional category, the first icon set is three arrows colored, so this is the name of this first directional icon set. Then if we go towards the right, here the name is three arrows and gray. Similarly for shapes we can find this is the three traffic lights unrimmed, and this is three traffic lights rimmed. Again if we go to the indicators, the first is three symbol uncircled, then three symbol circled, and then three flags. Likewise you can find the icons on the left hand side of this image and the similar or respective names in the right hand side. So with the help of this image you can choose which type of icon sets you want to apply to your data. So here, before applying these icon sets, the must condition is that you have to select the data on which we have to apply the icon sets. So here I have selected the data. As we are already on the home tab, just go to the conditional formatting, click on the icon sets, and here we can select, for example we will select here under ratings 5 quarter. Okay, so here this is the name 5 quarters. Once we select, we can see that selected icon sets are now applied to our data. If we want to change this, we will clear the rules. It means if we want to clear this icon set, just go to the conditional formatting, and here is second last option. It means clear rules, and clear rules from the selected cells. Okay, the applied icon sets will get vanished. If we want to change our icon sets, for example previously we have selected this 5 ratings or 5 quarters ratings. Now we will select these flags, 3 flags. We can see 3 flags are now applied to our data. So this is very simple process. You can try all the other options when you are using your data. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.